Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, where we break down everyday tech in simple ways. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money using a debit card in 2025. With advancements like biometric security and instant transfers, it's easier than ever to send money securely. Whether you're splitting bills with friends or paying online, this step-by-step guide will get you up to speed in no time. First, make sure your debit card is linked to your bank's mobile app or online platform. By 2025, most apps use enhanced features like facial recognition or fingerprint scans for added protection, so set that up if you haven't already. Step 1. Open your banking app and log in using your biometrics or secure PIN. This keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfer or Send Money section. You'll find options for transferring to another bank account, via email, or even to a mobile wallet. Step 3. Enter the recipient's details, such as their account number, email address, or phone number. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. Accuracy is key. Step 4. Input the amount you want to transfer and add a quick note if needed, like, "For dinner last night." This helps with record keeping. Step 5. Review the transaction summary. Look over the details, including the amount, fees, if any, and estimated transfer time, which is often instant in 2025. Step 6. Confirm the transfer using your security method, like a thumbprint or a one-time code sent to your phone. Once done, the money should arrive almost immediately. A few quick tips. Always use a secure Wi-Fi network, monitor your account for unusual activity, and never share your PIN with anyone. These steps help prevent fraud in our digital world. And there you have it. Transferring money with your debit card is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.